welcome back to my channel. My name is Bryan and today we have a new dance tutorial for you. This song called I Know What You Did Last Summer by my favorite artists, Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello. Alright, let's start. Let's go. Alright, let's start. So for this one, close your feet together. Alright, so we're gonna start from the legs first. Go 1, 2, 3, and a close. Alright? And at the same time, your hand go 1, switch 2, 3, and 4. And you're gonna go to the front. 5 and 6. Go to 7, 8. Again. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right first, and the 6, 7, 8. Let's do it faster. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. Alright, next. From here, 2 counts. 1, 2, then together 3, 4. Then lean to your right. 5, 6. Punch on 7. Weight on your left. 7. Grab it on 8. Alright? Again. 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Let's combine first 8 and second 8. Move here a little bit. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Next. Next, you're gonna go from 1, drop on 2. Then slide to your left. 3, down on 4. Then 5, 6, to the back, 7, and 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, and left. Good job. Let's combine first, second, and third. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next. Next, so 7, 8. You're gonna go grab like this. 2. Again, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle. 5, 6. Cross 7, construct on 8. One more time. So 7, 8 side. Sorry. 1, 2. This one is up. 3. You're gonna pick here. 3. Change. Drop your legs. 4. So this one is facing up. Your palm. This one is facing down. So you're gonna make a circle. 4. Go 5. 6, cross 7, contract on 8. Let's do it faster. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, up. 3, 4, 5, 6. Cross 7, contract on 8. All right. Now let's combine 1, 2, 3, and 4 from the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2. Up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. Love it. One more time. Sorry, next. Not one more time. Next. So for this one, you're gonna go 1, 2. 2 counts. 7, 8. 1, 2. Then you got point 3 and 4. Then you got inside 5 and step to the back 6. Raise your arms 7. Point down on 8. Alright, let's try again. 7, 8, go release 1, 2, point 4, go 5 and 6, up and down. That's it. Let's try all of it from the beginning. Alright? Are you ready? Janice, move to your right a little bit. To your right, not to your left. 5, 6, 7, and go. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down. 7, 8. 1. Up, down. 6. Up, and 1, 2. Point in. Up. Good. Very good, guys. Good job. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you liked that tutorial. And if you want to see more tutorials, just go to my channel, go to the playlist, and there's a dance tutorial there. Okay, just click it and you can watch a lot of tutorials, dance tutorials. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye.